My name is Caleb Mertz. I am the business development leader of our work holding and automation division at Advanced Machine and Engineering. And our sister company is also Hennig. Between Advanced Machine and Hennig, we cover all the machine tool peripherals. So not the machine tool itself, but pretty much everything around that. At Advanced Machine specifically, I work within our work holding division. And we kind of see it as three different steps. We're really well known for our tombstones and grid plates across the US. That's a big market for us. But what a lot of people don't know is it goes way beyond that. So the next step could be that we're just working with our partners to assemble fixturing for end user or for our resellers. The third step in that is we go as far as doing custom hydraulic, pneumatic fixturing, so really complex projects that run across many machines and different lines. I think the biggest benefit of working with Advanced Machine is that we're in the space around the machine tool, all the peripherals. So from a work holding standpoint, we do the full integration, but we go beyond that too and integrate the automation and the collaboration between the two. So if we're scoping out an automation system for a customer, it doesn't just stop there. We make sure that the fixturing is in place on a pallet system, for example, that the fixturing's in place and works well for that machine. So I think that's a big benefit, is you're not sourcing from different partners, but you have one that you can go to for all of it. We all know it's hard to find people, the right machinists, and we still need to run our businesses, and margins are getting tighter and tighter with supply chain. And so we've really seen automation in its many forms really grow. And so it starts as simple as doing quick change fixtures from the machine for an operator to be able to accomplish something quicker, as far as systems that run for weeks on end, lights out. And we see a lot of growth in those areas. At AME, we're a manufacturer, but we really focus a lot on partnerships. So in every division of our business, you'll see that we do a lot of our own things, our own manufacturing, but we also have really strong partnerships that we really hold on to, and we make those decisions for each situation. Okuma is one of those partnerships where we can really have a strong relationship with and a real strong tie. We're on a first name basis and even text people back and forth, and I think that's really important when you need to just turn something around quickly or try to get something done. It can't just be this high level formal thing every time. It can just happen more casually and naturally, and that's what I've seen here at this event and the other events that we've done with Okuma. And just the people that are involved are all amazing from Okuma's end and through the dealers, and those are some of the best connections that can be made, is all working together to grow the industry and our specific businesses.